Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we will study activity book of English. Okay, open your book, page number 3. Okay, do you know which letter is this? B. Very good. And which sound is this? B. B and sound B. Okay, and what is this? Boat. And this? Ball. Very good. And this? Beer. And this one? Balloons. Do you like balloons? Nice. Okay, let's trace. Starting point. Make a straight line. Come down. Go up. Make a curve. Again, starting point. Come down. Go up. Make a curve. Again, starting point. Come down. Go up. Make a curve. We complete page number 3. Open your page number 4. Trace B. Very good. And do you know what is this? Apple. No. And what is this? Book. B. Very good. Match them. And what is this? Bat. B. Match. And what is this? Car. No. K. And what is this? Eggs. No. And what is this? Bag. B. And what is this? Ball. Very good. Ball color is green. And bag color is purple. And bat color is brown. And book color is red. आपने कलर्स बाहर नहीं निकालने, ओके? और प्यारे प्यारे से नीट से कलर करने हैं. Okay, trace B. Starting point, come down, go up, make a curve. Again. वेरी गुड. आप सबने ऐसे ही अच्छा सा काम करना है और मुझे सैटरडे को सबने चेक करवाना है. ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.